Hi, this is another lesson in our series of Introduction to Hub and Wire. This is our task number 4. Today we're going to look into our Publish app feature, which allows you to add blog content or articles so people can find your business by searching key terms in their search engine. Now I'm going to go ahead and start with adding a sample header image. I'm going to go ahead and click on sample header image, the link. You can see it showed up right here. I'm going to right click and select Save Image As. My file directory showed up, and now you can see where you want to put the images where you can remember to find them later. I already have this image in here, but I would typically go ahead and click Save and confirm. And now I can see that that image is saved for me to use later. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my Publish app area within Hub or Wire. And you can get to any of these apps by going to the upper left-hand corner and clicking the drop-down. Now I'm going to go ahead and click Publish. So we're going to go ahead and go to New Post. And we're going to add a title. Do Hello World. And we're going to add an image. So we can see that our file directory comes up. I'm going to navigate to the folder that I saved mine and double click on it. You can see it popped up right here. Now we're going to add the content field, and you can use a copy that I gave you or come up with your own. I'm going to simply highlight this text and then hit Control C or Command C if you have a Mac. And I'm going to paste it in. Now you can use this editor up here to change the text in many ways. For instance, I want to move this text to the left, and I'm going to decrease the indentation. So I'm going to hit that twice. And I think I'll make this piece of text bold, so I'm going to go ahead and click that. We can choose to post this article now. And we can also save it as a draft to use later. I'm going to click Publish Post. And you can see that it's now in our View Posts area. Well, we can go ahead and click View. And this is our Hub landing page. This is all the apps that we have active. So this is Publish right here, or Latest. And you can see all of the different articles that I have up. In this specific post, we can share this article by clicking Facebook and logging in. And anybody who's a visitor to your Hub landing page can do that as well. That's pretty much all there is to the Publish app. There'll be a lot more content coming up soon. Be sure to watch the last video in the series on viewing your website and contacting support. Thank you very much.